Hiya, today we're going to be creating some really cute mini egg nails with a twist. So these ones are going to be fried eggs. These are fab for spring and Easter coming up, and they work perfectly with Lecentè's new collection. So I'm going to be using the colour Morning Dew. You can see this is a gorgeous light sagey green. And these are glitter gels, so you can see you've got that glitter effect in there, which is perfect for creating your Easter mini egg nails. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of this colour. As you can see, you're going to get depth and different variations of how much glitter shows, which is a really cool effect. Whilst that is in the lamp curing, I am popping some White Magic and Squeeze the Day onto my Lecentè palette, and using a dotting tool, I'm now going to apply a little blob and kind of fan out or round out the edges randomly to a fried egg shape. So this isn't going to be like a perfect circle, it's just going to be literally a fried egg shape, so anything goes really. So once I've applied my fried egg shape, I'm going to pop that in the lamp and cure. So once my egg shape has cured fully in the lamp, again using my dotting tool, I'm going to pop a little circle in the middle, which is going to be our egg's yolk. Now, I have used Squeeze the Day and I've applied that, but I don't feel that's quite poppy enough for my egg. So I've now mixed in a little bit of Popcorn Party. I haven't mixed that totally, so it's kind of got a little bit of a marbled effect, and I've used that now to apply the yolk, and I think you'll see it pops a lot more using this colour. It's much more eggy. So sometimes you need to change the plan and it works out better. So then you just need to finish off your little egg design with some top coat. We're using a shiny top coat here. You can use matte, mix it up a bit, use whatever. And I think, I hope you'll agree, this is a really little simple, quirky, fun design for Easter.